Okay, how are you, trainee? We studied about classification of engines, and under classification of engines, we there was a subtopic about internal combustion engines, that is IC engines. Now, under IC engines, what are IC engines? IC engines, these are engines that use fossil fuel for combustion or as spark or compression ignition is used to introduce to combust the fuel inside the the cylinders, the engine cylinders. Now, types of IC engines we can classify them according to the air intake. There is types of fuel, arrangement of cylinders, ignition.